Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to transfer Microsoft Authenticator app to new phone without the old one. First, you'll need to download the Microsoft Authenticator app on your new phone. You'll have to go to App Store if you are using an iOS or Play Store if you are having an Android. After that, once you install it, open the application and sign in into your Microsoft account. Tap on sign in option, which will lead you to a screen asking you for your email. Now you need to provide the email address that you have actually logged in on your old phone. So keep that in mind. You need to enter the email associated with your Microsoft account and then tap next to proceed. Now, typically Microsoft would ask you to check the Microsoft Authenticator app on your old phone for a verification code. But since you no longer have access to your old device, we will need to use alternative methods. To verify your identity, look towards the bottom of your screen. You will see an option that says use your password. So use your passwords. This is the route we will take. Tap on this option and you will be prompted to enter your Microsoft account password. Once you input the correct password, it will allow you to sign in and recover your authenticated details. If you, for some reason, cannot actually use your password, there is another option you can actually use that says, I do not have access to Microsoft Authenticator. Tap on this and you will be directed to a screen where you can choose to receive a verification code sent to one of your alternate email addresses linked to your Microsoft account. Select the alternate email address you have access to Microsoft. Then send a verification code to that email. Once you receive the code, enter it into the app to continue. And in some cases, Microsoft might require you to take additional steps, such as providing a security code or updating your security information. If this previous method do not work, you might need to update your security information, which can take up to 30 days, and be prepared for this waiting period. Now, if you're still facing the same issue, you can now simply go and Google Microsoft Account Recovery, then choose the first option. And after that, you'll need to scroll down till you get here to Account Recovery Form, and you'll need to fill in all the information in order to recover your account. And this is how you can actually transfer Microsoft Authenticator app to new phone without the old phone. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.